This is it. We're deep in the heart of Concord now. Call BC.
We can't go in there. I mean, no one's been in there for at least a decade. I'm not going back to Windows XP. You can't make me. I have maybe 2 gigs of RAM on a good day with a 3 gigabyte switch and a 50 gigabyte hard drive costs how much? I can't do it.
Platform Jones, he's right. They moved all the good stuff to Waltham a long time ago.
You want to go back to the designer pool, kid? I'll make the call. That's what I thought. There are lost features in there. We're gonna find them. They belong in everyone's CAD. Now let's go. Oh, mice. Why did it have to be corded mice? Wait, mouses? Meese? Anyways,
Hey, check this out.
Stop, kid, stop.
It's a filing cabinet. It's gonna have everything we need.
Stay out of the drawers. Watch and learn. What we're looking for, you won't find in a drawing, kid. We're in the belly of the beast now, kid. Tech support.
Solidworks. Your design is very important to us. Please continue to Control Q your assembly while waiting. At any time, press 1 to connect immediately to fail.
Platform Jones, where are we now?
R&D, where fortunes are made and dreams come to die.
Ah, get them off me. Get them off me.
Relax, kid. It's software. There's always gonna be bugs. Coarse grind. Oh, hazelnut. We're close. I got this, kid. Just hang back and catch up on your design work or something.
Stay out of the drawer. I'm Platform Jones. I can't believe they made this guy the hero. Wait, you can hear this? A demo? Easy. Top plane. Sketch. Rectangles. Quick dimensions all over. Touch to fill it. Edit entity. Make that a chamfer. Mid-plane extrude the contours. Right plane, sketch, convert entities. No time to clean this up. Revolve cut. Ready for 3D print? Yeah, this will work.
Platform Jones. Platform Jones!
What is it?
I made the save icon.
The what? Oh, nice print, kid. Nice CAD work. Oh, I think we're supposed to...
Run away! Run away!
I guess XP was stable after all. Well, maybe not.
My mouse hand! My mouse hand! Control Z! Control Z!
Ooh, you're not gonna be much good without that.
Platform, please! Jones! Jones! Jones!
Trust me, kid. I'm doing you a favor.
Jones! Platform! Platform! Come back here!
Haha!
Remarkable find, Platform Jones. Simply remarkable. After my laboratory analysis, I can say with confidence, this diskette contains fragments of authentic Solidworks source code. Interestingly enough, most of it was earmarked for Solidworks 2024. It appears R&D's most recent test project was what you Yanks call a snowblower? However, it's dreadfully incomplete. This bearing housing still requires proper fastening. Starting a new sketch, I notice a new type of instant dimension. Select any preview value to fully define, every time. A quick segment, and I have 6 evenly spaced sketch points. Also in 2024, the trusty Hole Wizard now lets me reuse any sketch. It simply picks up all my sketch points as drilling locations. Accordingly, this new instances to skip becomes quite handy. Looking at the feature manager, I see a local coordinate system. It must be for the fabricators. The Save As dialog now provides a specification of any underdefined coordinate system, so that becomes the origin of the copied part.
Markup, that is real nice for downstream imports.
Well, and speaking of downstream, a true gentleman always adds mate references to his common components. Mate references are a great way to add intelligence and be a champ. Let's assume this part will typically be mated concentric. Let's define a reference for that. In 2024, you can now specify to lock rotation, clearing yet another hurdle to fully define our assemblies. Let's get this hub into the blower's structural assembly. I now see more flexibility when inserting a component. There are options to fix, float, or fix first. Notice the new configuration descriptions, so we're sure to pick the right size. We'll float this one at the origin, and using the new mate references, this snaps into a fully constrained state. Smashing. That was easy. And look at this handlebar. It has 2 named mate references. Previous versions had difficulty solving for these, but SOLIDWORKS 2024 has an option to create mates only when the names match. Now I get a choice when multiple options are in proximity.
I would use everything you just showed, like, all the time. Now watch out. Let me drive. What's this? Adventure expert. Oh, hey.
Jones, as I mentioned, this disk contains only fragments of code.
Markup, look at this file location. You know, X never marks the spot. But do you remember Brenda Camwood? She always did map her special USB drive to X.
Last I heard, Brenda was somewhere in France chasing fortune and glory inside R&D senior management.
We have to find Brenda. There are features on her USB drive that belong in everyone's CAD.
Brenda, or shall I say Madame Camwood, Senior R&D Manager? You're coming with me, and you're going to sing like a canary.
Aw, you noticed my LinkedIn update. Wait, what?
That's right! You're going to tell me all the new features in SOLIDWORKS 2024 or else.
Oh my, that's pungent. What did you have for lunch?
It was a garlic chicken pesto sandwich. It was quite nice, but I brushed my teeth, I swear. Now, tell me all the new features in SOLIDWORKS 2024 or I'll use this.
Is that a slide rule?
It is, and I have no idea how to use it, but it is very dangerous.
2024? Come on, buddy. I just set up my 2023 calendar. Every day it's a different motivational saying. Today's was, when you're feeling down, use the up key. Isn't that clever?
Yeah, that is nice. I like that. It's very motivational. I'll have to write that down, yeah. Now, you're going to tell me every feature that's ever happened. Are you going to answer your phone? That's a little obnoxious. I mean, I guess they can wait.
Yeah, thanks. I'll be just a minute.
As a villain. I'm an evil villain. Villain. Menace. Enough! Now, you're going to give me all the new features in SOLIDWORKS 2024 for my designers, so they can have them before anybody else.
You're just gonna have to wait for the file release notes, buddy.
File lock waits no update, Fraulein. Vivac! Madame Camwood, R&D Senior Manager, you're going to show me everything that is new in SOLIDWORKS 2024. And for the sake of it, could you explain what 3D Experience Box is all about? I'm still kind of foggy on that one.
You know I can't do that. There's strict NDAs in place.
Well, surely our legal teams can come to some terms with no delay or unnecessary back and forth.
You may as well just wait for the release notes. Besides, even if I wanted to, I don't have my laptop here.
Enough with the excuses. You will show me what your developers have been working on. There is no escape key for you here.
I can't.
You can.
I won't.
You will.
Oh boy, this is gonna take a while. You got any coffee for this? 3 creams, 3 sugars, and a straw?
Sure, I can do that.
Once we enter Firelock's headquarters, we'll need to get past his design and drafting department.
Markup. If we wait till Friday, maybe 2:30, it'll be as empty as a freshly formatted SSD.
Brilliant, Platform Jones. So we save Brenda, you subdue Firelock,
And I'll make sure she still has her USB drive. Once we save her, she'll have to show us what's in the Well of Features folder.
I'll put these notes into action and these tasks in work.
Okay, look. What if I show you some of our new Solidworks cloud? Would you like that? I could even create something amazing and send it up to the printers up there.
Now we're speaking the same language.
How about a little Slack?
Design.
Boom! How about that for a demo?
Brenda, we're here to save you.
Platform Jones. Last time you and I collaborated, you left my assembly mate full of errors. This time, I'm way ahead of you, pal.
Nice to see you too. Listen, no time for chit-chat. Do you still have that special USB drive that you used to wear around your neck?
I don't know what you're talking about, Jones.
Don't run your pretty little loops on me. I know it has the Well of Features folder on it.
Jones, you look a lot better than you think. The Well of Features, really? You think that's just sitting in some folder on some amazingly bedazzled USB necklace?
So, what's on that?
This old thing? It's just a project plan. A project plan that contains the Well of Features, but...
That well could unlock new features for users everywhere. It belongs in our CAD.
But there's a problem. It requires the credentials of someone of legendary status. Someone who has spent his entire career cataloging features and file sets the world over.
Brenda, are you suggesting whom I think you're suggesting?
Yep, his dad, Professor Jones.
If you want to get serious about competing in Model Mania, you gotta learn the fundamentals. Move and delete face, edit sketch plane, offset surface. And you had rebuild errors this time, kid, but that doesn't mean you have to like it.
Gee, Dr. Jones, I was just asking you about a dimension on the section view.
You're out of time anyway. Come back to me when you're a CSWE. Only then will you truly be ready for a Phase 2 design change.
Dad, it sure has been a while since Essentials. I hope you're staying tough with that Model Mania tutoring. Weather is fine. Anywho, can I borrow your old 3D Experience login credentials, please? Platform Jones.
Borrow my login credentials? What does he think this is, some sort of CAD tube account? What has this kid gotten himself into anyway? And why does he insist on calling himself Platform? The software is the platform. I told you, kid, come back when you're a CSWE.
I am not a CSWE. I'm Firelock, and you are coming with me.
No, girl, you are never going to be able to 3D print that.
Platform Jones.
Oh, junior designer too, you're still alive. Not really a relief. Anyway, I still haven't heard back from my dad. I know it was a big ask for him to share his 3D Experience login, but usually he's even faster to respond when the answer's a no.
Platform Jones, we need your father's login so we can access his dashboards, so we can kick off the project plan, so we can uncover the Well of Features and put them in everyone's CAD, so we can get promoted to upper middle management.
Thanks for that summary markup, Brody. Maybe he's busy binging last year's episodes of SolidWorks Live?
Or live design.
Or Manufacturing Live.
Listen, Without the Well of Features folder, we won't be able to unlock all the lost code that we found and conquered.
Have you tried guessing his password?
If it were me, I'd use Solidworks.
Caps lock. Come on, Jones. Keep your branding straight.
Be patient, Junior. Count to 10.
1, 2, 3.
In hexadecimal.
1, 2, 3. That's it. In hex, SolidWorks starts with a 5. Markup, you're brilliant. I'm in. And it looks like we have access to a dozen of Dad's old dashboards.
Good show, Jones.
Incredible. I can't believe Dad never made me a contributor on his dashboard.
Oh, look at that. Years of model mania. 2023. Wait, Jones, no spoilers, please.
It's okay. They announced the winners and the solution on Live an hour ago.
Cool. What else is in here? Let's see. Oh. Wow, these are all complete customer data sets.
Aw, look at that cute little guy right there. It reminds me of my robot teddy bear from my childhood. I mean, whoa, look at those sweet surfaces.
Yeah, that's X Design sub-D modeling in your browser. All of those faces are C2 continuous.
Whoa, look at this. Nice FEA results. Is that a complete flexible dynamic analysis of lower limb orthotic device?
Jones, just stick to the can crushing. That's more your speed.
Oh, electrical schematics?
Yep, on the cloud now.
Oh, manufacturing automation.
Robot programming and factory simulation connected to the cloud.
Issues? Oh, these are change requests, and they're all in 3D.
Jones, I don't think you need any more issues.
Ooh, there's the project plan. What's in there?
22X FD01, FD02, FD03, it keeps going.
These are all enhancements to 3D Experience SolidWorks, delivered with each FD in the past year.
2024, aha.
Yes, but it's TBD. Blast.
There's nothing in the notes except these two numbers.
Could that be a Model Mania solution for 2024?
Oh, negative, Brody. You see, mass can't be negative. Let me open the globe viewer, because on this side of the pond, longitude is negative. Could this be it? The Well of Features?
Nashville? How on earth will we get all the way down there?
Grab some snacks, boys. The extruber is 6 minutes away.
Mister, I told you, please, I have it somewhere.
My goodness, what did he do?
No support ticket. Trigram and ticket number?
Certainly, sir. Ticket number USD 500.
All right then. Vending machine lunch. I like it. Thanks, ma'am. Tell you what, there's cold coffee on your left, bathrooms on your right. I'll let him know you're here.
Well of features, huh, Jones? You really know how to show R&D a good time.
Platform Jones, I do agree with Ms. Comwood. This can't be the right address.
Hey, Brenda called the taxi.
Yeah, I did. And you owe me $5.
Oh, did you know your term bucks originates from the 18th century American colonies, where deerskins, or as you call them, buckskins, were used as currency. Deers! Can you believe it?
Oh, Brody, you are such a hoot. You and I should get tea and garlic bread sometime soon. I'll text you.
Firelock. I knew I smelled something obsolete.
It is I, but I brought a +1.
Your +1 is an emoji?
No, it's just a Halloween costume from last year. It's actually...
Dad, what has he done to you?
Don't move 1/10 of a millimeter. Otherwise, I'll pull it.
Wait, what is that in inches?
That's like 0.003937. Now, stay right there. Otherwise, I'll pull it, and I'll do it quite slowly.
You monster! You wouldn't!
Guys, it's really not that big of a deal.
Silence. Now, Platform Jones, you're going to go downstairs, and you're going to meet with the Guardian. And from there, you're going to get me the Vela features.
No, Junior, don't give in.
Right, yeah. Wait, who's this Guardian guy you're talking about?
Oh, you Americans. Surely you guys read the attachment on the invites, right? And furthermore, I put out the detailed agenda for everything. You saw that, correct? Okay, so we have to go downstairs and we meet this guy. His name is the Guardian. And then we can actually get access to the Vela features. That's literally why we are here.
Okay, y'all. He'll see you now. You're gonna need to head down past my cousin Larry's guard shed. Take the elevator on down, and it's gonna be the first cavern on your left.
What floor?
Well, the features, please.
Oh, and you, Firelock?
Oh, yes, also the Vela. Bertie, just push the button. Push!
Oh, Firelock. Bro, dude, what was that? Is that your breath? Dude, I think there's something seriously wrong with you. It's like a medical condition or something?
You're stuck.
You're strangely dressed for an application engineer.
I'm not exactly an application engineer. What do you mean?
I was chosen to guard the well of features because I was the bravest, the most available to be on call. Nights, weekends, holidays, Fridays. This honor was mine until another would come to challenge me to a head-to-head demo.
Demo? You mean like picks and clicks?
It's okay, Junior. You can use my login credentials.
Thanks, Dad. But we already figured it out. I remembered. You always used to make me count to 10 in hexadecimal.
I was so hard on you, Junior. It's because I loved you so much.
Jones, take my space mouse.
Jones, take this. Don't lose it. And good luck.
Are we quite done?
Yes.
Then let's demo.
All right, I want to see a straight CAD demo off. Jones, on my USB, there's a fresh build of 2024 and a special large assembly just for you.
Oh, a Guardian? Did you know if you hit Alt F4, it'll make Solidworks run twice as fast?
Good one. I shall return that just in due time. I was using Windows before you were born. In fact, my 386 PC caught fire down here when I overclocked the old girl. True story. You know, it's actually quite dangerous to have fire down here. So I always make sure I have the latest smoke detector. I'd like to add a linear feature pattern of this rib to complete the vent design. And now in SolidWorks 2024, I can create symmetric bidirectional linear patterns with just one click. That was a snap.
Not bad. I wish I had that feature when I was cutting these holes on the potato roller for my trusty sweet potato harvester. Oh. Now I need to create the shutoff surfaces for the mold design. SolidWorks 2024 makes this easy now that I can use this new capability for untrimmed surface to generate these inside surfaces.
But don't forget the ASCII.
I literally just used the S key to invoke untrimmed surface. Are you not paying attention, Firelock?
Now back to me. I'm designing a sweet set of rims for my new vehicle, the Dodge Cavern Van.
I don't get it.
First, I made an aggressive shape. Then I completed it with a circular pattern.
Oh my. Guardian, that is hideously overbuilt.
Don't get your britches twisted along a path, mock-up. To clean this up, I'll add a revolved cut feature based on this profile. In 2024, I can flip side to cut and carve away everything outside my sketch lines. Now how about that dope rim? I can't wait to floss these on my whip.
Where on earth did you learn to talk like that?
Oh, the talk, of course. Where did you learn to talk like that?
No cap, fam. Speaking of no cap, I need to finish this canopy design. Structure Systems is the fastest way to build this structure.
Yeah, but applying corner treatment will take ages.
But corner treatments are much more streamlined. 2024 introduces automatic corner grouping, simple corners that default to planar trim, and complex corners have much more sensible treatments from the start. SolidWorks 2024 also improves custom properties and cut lists with the choice to add a unit of measurement. No more manually overriding and fat fingering those bombs, Firelock.
I believe it's time for me to lay down some tracks. Tracks with highly proprietary cavern grip tread drive. I absolutely must defeature this before sharing it with anyone above ground. In 2024, I can create and save defeaturing rules. These are logical definitions I call upon when needed. For example, mass, build in-house, or buy off the shelf, etc., etc. Let's run the rule and let defeature work its magic. Then save that work out to a defeatured configuration. How's that for representing in the cavern?
Well, Guardian, maybe I do fancy your style.
He's going to win. Come on, I could do a What's New demo in my sleep.
Oh, Firelock. Head back to the Omni and brush your teeth.
No, I'm actually at the Travelodge.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, rates were very good.
Got it.
I have my own bathtub.
Ugh. Well, hey, check this out. Since we're already moving on to assemblies, I need to mate this hitch in place. A width mate makes sense here.
Oh no, don't make the classic width make mistake, selecting faces in the incorrect order.
Not in SolidWorks 2024. I can pick in any order I want. And look, I still have access to all 4 constraint types.
We're short on time. One more demo each. Guardian, why don't you go first?
Strong demo, Jones, and down here in the cave, you gotta stay strong. Pumping iron, you know. Before freezing this product, I would want to make sure all components are fixed or fully defined. New in 2024, I see a minus signal when the folder contains under-constrained components. I'll just fix these and now use the new component selection to select flexible sub-assemblies. I'll set all those to rigid with one click. Boom!
Come on, Jones, you've got this.
Okay, don't worry, Firelock. I'm sure this will seal the deal. In SolidWorks 2024, you can insert an assembly into a part.
Jones, did you say an assembly into a part? Surely you meant a part into an assembly.
I didn't misspeak, Brody. Assembly into a part. There's a lot of potential workflows with this one. Let's start with whipping up a quick fixture for this primary structural assembly. Inserting this assembly into a part makes it easy to create a jig using weldments. I'm not messing up anyone else's top-level assembly with this. And of course, since this is SolidWorks, when the assembly updates, so does the part.
Sir Platform, you and I suppose you too, Firelock, have demoed valiantly and vanquished me. Or at least maybe we'll say it even, let's call it even. Now if it's still the well of features you seek, there is one more test you shall face. But be warned though, because the next cavern is even more dreadful than this. There's a certain feeling as if thousands of strange eyeballs watch your every move. on the last 3 years? Is anything new up there? I've been quite lonely.
The final test! You must choose the storage media, which contains the well of features. But choose wisely. For as the true media will unlock capabilities beyond your designer's dreams, the false one will take them from you.
Oh my. Do you mean like a virus?
Oh yes, it's very nasty.
Out of my way. You wouldn't know a Syria port from an SVGA.
The device would have to be large capacity and high speed. What about that 256 terabyte portable SSD with USB 7.0?
Yes. Yes, it is much bigger than I imagined. This is the drive of drives.
You gotta flip it the other way.
What do you mean the other way? I am flipping it the other way.
You had it right the first time.
I'm trying my best here. Here's to the Vela features, suckers! Brenda, what is happening to me? 32 bits, 16 bits, 8 bits, 4-bit, no bits, no bits.
He chose poorly. Feeling lucky, punk?
Junior, platform. What is the maximum data capacity of a Cat5e cable?
1,000 megabits per second. That's not enough.
Right.
None of these are enough. It's none of them. The true well of features couldn't fit on any one device.
You have chosen poorly.
What?
Just kidding. Your faces. That's classic. Oh, indeed, the well of features spans many global data centers. You have proven worthy, my valiant heroes. Inside your compass, you will now find every role there is to offer. Not only that, but your team shall be the first to upgrade every new release of Solidworks from FD to GA, 2024 to perpetuity. Your only boundary now is your internet connection. So go, use these features. And here, take my mouse.
Oh, is that a corded mouse?
No, it's a very, very good mouse.
Oh, well, I'm trying to quit.
This mouse has served me well.
Oh, well, then it should continue to serve you, yeah.
It's been in my family for generations, and it would be my honor for you to take my mouse.
Oh, well, why don't we just keep it in your family
Take
for
the mouse.
I really don't
You're
want it.
starting to offend me. Take the mouse.
Oh, no offense meant, but we'll just, I'll just leave it with you.
Okay.
Okay. All right, great. So the elevator is. Oh, sorry. All right.
You got my Insta-chat.
Yeah.
You know, Firelock never really believed in the well of features. He thought it was just some UI delighters in an annual release.
So, we had access to the well of features all along.
Yes, and 3D Experience works. It's been on the cloud for a while now.
But do you mean?
Yes, R&D is on your side.
No, I mean, you could have told us all this yesterday and saved us a lot of time and makeup.
And suspense.
Well, this seemed like a lot more fun. Besides, we get to expense lunch now, right?
Lunch? I can eat. I know a great barbecue joint down on Broadway.
Follow me. I know the way.
Well, I suppose those templates of doom can wait, right, kid?
And here, take my mouse.
Oh, is that a corded mouse?
No, it's a very, very good mouse.
Oh, well, I'm trying to quit.
This mouse has served me well.
Oh, well, then it should continue to serve you, yeah.
It's been in my family for generations, and it would be my honor for you to take my mouse.
Oh, well, why don't we just keep it in your family
Take
for
the
some?
mouse.
I really don't
You're
want
starting to offend me. Take the mouse.
Oh, no offense meant, but we'll just I'll just leave it with you.
I tell you what, take the mouse. If you don't like it, you can just give it away at a user group meeting.
Oh, why don't you give it away to a user group meeting? Actually, that would be.
Gonna make me mad if you don't take the mouse.
The last user group meeting I was at, they specifically asked for you. Actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So we'll be making our way to the elevator now, I guess. So
you call me, email me.
Yep, I will email you. Let's do that.
Okay.
Okay. All right, great. So the elevator is. Oh. Okay. All right.
You got my Insta chat.
Yeah.